Your question is the constitutional status has been given to panchayats under article. Your options are A 226, B 243, C 239 or D 219. Right answer is B 243. Your question is which one of the following is not correctly matched? Your options are A Fundamental Duties Part 4A, B The States Part 6, C Attorney General of India Part 13 or D Services under the Union and States Part 14. Right answer is C Attorney General of India Part 13. Your question is all individuals are fully and equally human. This principle is known as. Your options are A universalism, B holism, C socialism or D interactionism. Right answer is A universalism. Your question is of the following political features which is or are common to India and the USA. 1. Residuary powers vested in the center. 2. Residuary powers vested in the states. 3. President has the power of pocket veto. 4. The upper house has some nominated members. Your options are A 3 only, B 3 and 4 only, C 2 3 4 only and D 1 3 and 4 only. Right answer is A 3 only. President has the power of pocket veto. Your question is which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched in terms of the power of the President of India to make regulation for certain union territories under Article 240 of the Indian Constitution. Your options are A 241A Andaman and Nicobar Islands, B 241B Lakshadweep, C 241C Puducherry or D 241D Daman and Diu. Right answer is C 241C Puducherry. Your question is which of the following are regarded as the main features of the rule of law? 1. Limitation of powers. 2. Equality before law. 3. People's responsibility to the government. 4. Liberty and civil rights. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your options are A 1 and 3 only, B 2 and 4 only, C 1 2 and 4 only or D 1 2 3 and 4. Right answer is C 1 2 and 4 only. Limitation of powers, equality before law and liberty and civil rights. Your question is select the correct chronological order of the following judgments dealing with fundamental rights. A. Golaknath vs State of Punjab, B. Keshwanand Bharti vs State of Kerala, C. Minerva Mills vs Union of India or D. A.K. Gopalan vs State of Madras. Select the correct answer. Your options are A. DBCA, B. ABCD, C. DABC or D. DCBA. Right answer is C. DACP. A.K. Gopalan vs State of Madras, Golaknath vs State of Punjab, Keshwanand Bharti vs State of Kerala and Minerva Mills vs Union of India. Your question is which of the following has been recognized as a fundamental rights by the Supreme Court of India? 1. Right to shelter. 2. Right to travel abroad. 3. Right to equal pay for equal work. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3 or D 1 2 and 3. Right answer is D 1 2 and 3. Right to shelter, right to travel abroad and right to equal pay for equal work. Your question is in India, if a religious sect or community is given the status of a national minority, what special advantages is it entitled to? 1. It can establish and administer exclusive educational institutions. 2. The President of India automatically nominates a representative of the community to Lok Sabha. 3. It can derive benefits from the Prime Minister's 15-point program. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A 1 only, B 2 and 3, C 1 and 3 or D 1 2 and 3. Right answer is C 1 and 3. It can establish and administer exclusive educational institutions and it can derive benefits from the Prime Minister's 15-point program. Your question is the Constitution is silent in the directive principles of state policy about. Your options are A. Adult education, B. Living wages for workers, C. Free legal aid to the poor or D. Primary education to children till they complete the age of 6 years. Right answer is A. Adult education. Your question is which of the following were members of the Swan Singh Committee 1976? A. A.R. Antule, S.S. Ray, C. Haridev Joshi, D. C.M. Stephen. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Your codes are A. A, B, C, D, B. A, B and C, C. A, B and D, or D. B, C and D. Right answer is A, B and D. A. R. Antule, S.S. Ray and C.M. Stephen. Your question is, President of India exercises his powers. Your options are A. Either directly or through officers subordinate to him, B. Through ministers, C. Through Prime Minister, D. Through Cabinet, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is A. Either directly or through officers subordinate to him. Your question is, on which matter it is not essential for the President to take advice from the Council of Ministers? Your options are A. Appointment of ambassadors, B. To assent to bills, C. To assent to bills referred by governors, D. To dissolve Lok Sabha, or E. To assent on constitutional amendment bill. Right answer is B. To assent to bills. Your question is, the President of India does not have the right to. Your options are A. Give pardon, B. Remove a judge of Supreme Court, C. Declare emergency, or D. Pass ordinances. Right answer is B. Remove a judge of Supreme Court. Your question is, which one of the following is presided over by one who is not its member? Your options are A. Lok Sabha, B. Vidhan Sabha, C. Rajya Sabha, or D. Council of Ministers. Right answer is C. Rajya Sabha. Your question is, who exercises the actual or executive power under the parliamentary form of government? Your options are A. Parliament, B. Prime Minister, C. President, or D. Bureaucracy. Right answer is B. Prime Minister. Your question is, the number of Lok Sabha members required to table a no confidence motion against the Council of Ministers is. Your options are A. 30, B. 40, C. 50, or D. 60. Right answer is C. 50. Your question is, who is known as the first law officer in India? Your options are A. Chief of Justice of India, B. Comptroller General of India, C. Attorney General of India, or D. Law Secretary. Right answer is C. Attorney General of India. Your question is, as per Indian protocol, who among the following ranks highest in the order of precedence? Your options are A. Deputy Prime Minister, B. Former President, C. Governor of a state within his state, or D. Speaker of Lok Sabha. Right answer is C. Governor of a state within his state. Your question is, the office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India was created. Your options are A. Through an act of the Parliament, B. By the Constitution, C. Through a cabinet resolution, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. By the Constitution.